red color, yellow color, green color, blue color, black color, and white color. So kids, now you draw alphabets. And first you draw A. Please help me subscribe to our channel. First we draw A and use red color. A for apple. B. B for ball. Again use red color and draw C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for god. H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now I draw J and use yellow color. J for joker. K. K for king. L. L for lion. M. M for moon. Kids, now I draw N and use green color. N for nose. O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. Kids, now I draw S and use blue color. S for sun. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for wallet. X. X for telephone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zoo. Kids, now I draw numbers. And first we draw 1 and use black color. O and E 1. T W 2 3. T H R W 3. 4. F O U R 4. 5. F I V E 5. 6. S I X 6. 7. S E V E N 7. 8. E I G H T 8. 9. M I N E 9. 10. T E N 10. black color, green color, red color, blue color, yellow color, and white color. Kids, now draw A and use black color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. It's now draw H and use green color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. It's now draw O and use red color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, now draw V and use blue color. V for van. W for wallet. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for Z color, yellow color, blue color, green color, white color, and black color. So kids, now you draw numbers, and first you draw 1 and use red color. O NE1, TWO2, THRW3, FOUR4, FIVE5. Kids, now I draw 6 and use yellow color. SIX6, SEVEN7, EIGHT8, NINE9, TEN10. Kids, now draw 11 and use blue color. 12, 13, 14, 15. Kids now draw 16 and use green color. 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.